Media.
To download Microsoft Teams, first you go to teams.microsoft.com/download. From the web page, you click on Download for Desktop and click on Download Teams. Now Teams will be downloaded into your system. Once it is completed, you open the folder and open the file. Now Teams will be installed in your system. You enter your username and click on Sign In button. Now it will prompt you for the password. You enter the password and click on Sign In button. On the next screen, you uncheck Allow my organization to manage my device and click on No, sign in to this app only. Now you are inside Teams. In order to set up Teams with the Office, click on Let's Do It button. Now Teams is ready for you to use. To sign out, you click on your icon and click Sign Out button. In order to install it in mobile, first you click on Google Play Store or Apple AppStore and then look for the application Microsoft Teams or MS Teams and select the application which is from Microsoft Corporation and click on Install button. Once it is installed into your system, you open your home screen and look for the application Teams and open the application. Once the application is loaded, you enter the email address and click on Sign In button. Now it will prompt you for the password. You enter the password and click on Sign In button. Once you are done, you read the notes which are given and click on Next to get into the next page. And once you are done, you read the privacy policy and you click on Got It button. Now you are inside Microsoft Teams.
Thank you for